Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Karan here. So from this video I will be starting this course on Dart fundamentals, right? So it will be a course from beginner to a advanced course on Dart programming language. So this course is not a Flutter course. We will not be making apps. We will be learning the programming language behind Flutter, which is Dart, right? So try to keep both of them separate. So Dart is a programming language and Flutter is a framework which uses Dart. So here I am bringing you Dart fundamentals course. So if you are new to programming, or if you are new to Dart, or if you know already a programming language, or if you don't know, no problem. This course is for you, either you from whichever background you are coming. So this course is suitable for you. So without wasting more time, let's get into this wonderful video of learning about the data types and variables in Dart. So let's start with variables. So first of all, you should know that what is a variable and what is a data type. So in programming, we are dealing with data, right? That needs to be stored somewhere, right? To utilize it in the further process. Let's say we have a number 8. We need to store somewhere, right? So we have to store it in the box, let's say. So let's assume we have to store this number in the box so that we can pick this number from the box and utilize it in the further process. So that box is called a variable. So you can say variable is a box that contains data. So now that data can be of multiple types, right? So that data can be your name. It like Let me show you. Let's say the data can be your name. So it can be either double quotes or single quotes, right? So double quotes mostly we give it, or we call string, and single quotes we give as characters. So the data can be a number, right? It can be either integer or double, right? So that data can be either a boolean variable. Boolean variable, it's consists of two values, either true or false, right? So the data can be collection of items. When I say collection of items, which means I'm referring about list. So list means collection of items. So the data can be, let's say, collection of items, let's say collection of fruits. So these are all the data types. There are many other data types, so we have learned about some of the data types. So let's say now in this list we have data of type string. So it is called a list of type string. So I can denote it like this. It is a list of type string, right? It can be list of type number. So in that case it will be called list of type integer, right? It can be list of type boolean or any other data type. So we have another data type which is called a map. So it looks like this: key value pair. Key value pair. Key can be, key is mostly string data type, and value can be any other data type, right? So these are the data types. Now we will see how to write this in the form of Dart language. Now we have just explained what is data type and how we write it and what are the types. So now we will see how to write this in the form of Dart programming language using the syntax of Dart, because you cannot directly start writing your variables, right? You need to define an entry point from where your execution starts. So in Dart we have main function, right? So if you are new to programming, this is totally a new thing for you, right? So let me just clear it out. This is a function. Of course we will be diving deep in our further videos on function. So before that, just let me explain in a naive level, on a ground level. Let This is a function which will not be returning anything, Why I am saying that it will be not be returning anything, because it has of return type void. See, if it has return type, let's say int, it will be returning an value of type int. Since we have defined that is as void, so it will not be returning anything, right? So whenever our app launches, this is the first function which runs whenever my script gets executed. Now in this main function I can define my variables, so I will be storing my own information here. Let's say my name, let's say my age, fruits which I like, so map is of key value pair, right? So what I said previously, key can be of, mostly it is of type string, right? And value can be of any other data type, so we define it as dynamic. As you can see here, a yellow line is coming, right? Because it is representing that this variable is not been used. It has been defined but it has not been used. Now if I use it in the map, this yellow line will be gone. You can see. So now I am going to print this data. So if I click on the run button, my first function which will be called is the main function, because this is the entry point, or this is the first function which calls when my app opens or whenever my script gets executed, right? So if I run, you can see in the console we have the data printed. So this is how you define the data types and you define variables in Dart. So in the further videos, we will be looking more on the Dart fundamentals. So I hope you like this video. See you all in next video. Thank you.